Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our Saturday run. Thanks to COVID not being too bad anymore, we are back at work, so we are restricted to weekend runs. No more running in the middle of the week, unfortunately. But here we are at Springside Nature Reserve. I'm just waiting for the other nut to arrive, and then we will head off on a little trail run today. The trails here aren't super long, so we'll probably end up doing a couple of them, or we'll just do one really quick. And yeah, look, hope you enjoy the footage. Should be not terribly muddy. We've had very mild rain so far this week, so yeah, looking forward to it. Enjoy the video. I'm almost at the end of the trail, heading back to the parking lot now. That is Springside Nature Reserve. Very tiny little eco bubble, and despite the small size, you've got various areas. You see your different types of vegetation. You've got some riverine forest, you've got some grasslands up on the hill, amazing bird life. Birds are everywhere, you can hear them. There's bugs everywhere, you can hear them. They fly into your mouth, you swallow them, not on purpose, by mistake. I don't condone eating live animals, even if they are insects. Yeah, and there's a number of little trails, so if you crisscross, you'll run through a decent amount. I'll be up at 5Ks once I get back to the parking lot, and it's just beautiful. It's safe, it's fenced off, you've got houses all around you, so you're never too far away from another human, but you're still in the bush, in the middle of a city. So it was a nice Saturday, perfect morning out. Stay tuned for the review on the new running vest. It's a new one, got it last week, first run with it, and I'll do a review on it. Love it.